We're going to build on your bird dog progressions with this one. So we're going to get back into the normal bird dog position, but this time you're going to actually lift your knees up off the ground. So you still want to have that same neutral pelvic position. So if you need to arch, round, arch, then find neutral again. Then you're going to lift your knees up. And at first we'll start by just doing just one of the components. So we'll start first by doing just the legs. Again, just get to a straight line with the legs. And then you can do arms. You might need to spread your feet apart a little bit wider. And then you can do both.